Hello everyone, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get a Meta Chameleon game. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, you simply have to first of all go to your Steam, make sure you have Steam access, then go ahead, get signed in. Then all you have to do is go to search bar and simply search Meta Chameleon. You will find it right over here. As you can see, this one game needs to be purchased. You can check out the preview right over here once you have signed in, and then you can go ahead, check it out the details further, and you can go ahead, buy this particular, add it to the cart and buy this particular game. Once you have bought this game will be available in your Steam, aka you can also then go ahead access it from your PC and go ahead start playing according to your need. If you need to know how to play, then we have already uploaded video regarding that. You can check it out. But that's it, and I hope this video helped you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in our next video.